I'm setting the relay on. Now I can feel and I can see that the pins are all in. I'm pushing it down a little bit, and then the last little bit is push it like this. So taking it apart, I'll hold the relay and pull back on the lock that it lifts out, so it comes out straight, that you're not bending the pins. Okay, so I can do that with this one. Came out very nicely. Okay, then I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna set it in and make sure that I'm lined up, push it down straight, and at the very end push these ones forward. Okay, that's how to replace the relay. And right away there is 6 pins and 2 pins, so they go in here.